Why was the RBC attacked? It was a target cell.
How do you know that the RBCs are engaged? Because they'll have ring forms.
Why did the slide break? There were too many blasts.
Why was peripheral smear sad? Because it had teardrop cells.
Why was the reticulocyte not allowed in a pub? It was immature.
Why did the peripheral smear go to a cell? Because it had a lot of hairy cells.